Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add products and services in Wave accounting. Setting up your products and services makes it easier to create invoices, manage bills, and keep your business organized. Let's get started by opening the official Wave website. On the home page, look for the Sign In button. Click it to go to the login page. Enter your login details carefully, and if you use two-factor authentication, complete that step as well. When everything looks correct, click Sign In to access your account. After you land on your dashboard, turn your attention to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a section called Sales and Payments. This is where you manage invoices, customers, and the catalog of what you sell. Click Sales and Payments, then choose Products and Services. This page is your central list for everything you sell or purchase, both items and services. Next, click Add a Product or Service. A form will open with fields for the essentials. Start with a clear, recognizable name. Keep it short but specific, so it's easy to find on invoices. Use the description field to add details your customer should see, such as what's included or any scope notes for services. For price, enter the standard amount you usually charge. You can always override this on an invoice, but setting a default saves time. Now choose whether you sell this item, buy it, or both. Turning on Sell this makes it available on invoices. Turning on Buy this makes it available on bills. This is especially helpful if you resell items or track subcontracted services. If your item is taxable, select the appropriate sales tax from the list. If it's not taxable, set it to No Tax to prevent accidental charges. If you plan to include this item on vendor bills, enable the option to allow this product or service to be added to bills. This keeps your purchases consistent and makes expense tracking cleaner. It also helps your reports reflect what you actually buy versus what you only sell. Review everything for accuracy, name, description, price, tax, and the sell or buy options. Then click Save. You should see a confirmation that it's been added to your list. If you land back on the edit screen or see another Save button, click Save again to confirm and finalize. Your new product or service now appears in the Products and Services list, ready to be used on invoices or bills. That's it. You've successfully set up products and services in Wave. Keep your naming consistent, update prices as needed, and revisit tax settings if your rules change. This simple setup will speed up invoicing, reduce errors, and give you cleaner reports going forward. I hope this video helped you. If you found this tutorial useful, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.